We are the leading SPC flooring factory in Southeast Asia. We lead by example and help other people see what lies ahead. We are not just a factory. We create our in-house SPC flooring brand, Smartmatt, to reach the #1 selling brand in Thailand. BRT Intertech Company Limited. Our company specializes in SPC flooring with ClickLock. We are a one-stop factory for all your needs. BRT Intertech Company was founded in 2007. For over 40 years of flooring experience, we are the first and only Thai company in Thailand that manufactures SPC flooring according to ISO standards. Our showroom is located in Bangkok, Thailand, with our manufacturing center on the outskirts of Bangkok located in Pathum Thani. Our factory area occupies more than 32,000 square kilometers. At BRT Intertech, customer satisfaction is the key to our success. We are determined to satisfy our customers' unique requirements to produce the most beautiful and durable floor, stair, and wall possible. We're continuously investing in research and development. We offer a wide variety of products including wood texture floor and stone texture floor. They come with a wide range of colors and sizes. There are 6 layers in our flooring structure as follows. 1. UV layer. It prevents fading caused by UV. It is also chemical resistant. 2. Wear layer. It absorbs impact, reduces scratches and stains. 3. Decor paper. It is a flooring texture layer. There are over 1,000 textures to choose from. All come in beautiful color. 4. Stone Composite core. This layer copes with the expansion and shrinkage of the flooring tile. It is non-flammable and non-chemical. 5. Click lock system. It makes each flooring tile connect with one another seamlessly. 6. Foam. IXPE 1.0mm antibacteria underlay. Our products are well accepted locally and internationally because of their quality. There are 5 steps in the manufacturing process. 1. Extrusion process, forming the flooring tile. 2. UV coating process. 3. Cutting process, cutting the flooring tile with click lock system. 4. Backing lamination process, EVA coating. 5. Packing process, product packing and warehouse storing. At BRT Intertech, our teams highly pay attention to the product quality. Our products are ISO 9001 and FloorScore certified, which is the most recognized indoor air quality certification standard. BRT Intertech Company is determining to create beautiful, durable, and environment-friendly SPC flooring. We're aiming to be a company that truly answers the customer's needs.